this week's Construction Review Weekly Roundup on construction news in Africa. In this week, Red Coral to invest in a massive real estate project in Kiambu, Kenya. Rwanda's transport sector gets $74.7 million boost from African Development Bank. Styen City development to spur more interest in Greater Fourways area, South Africa. Angola to build a $50 billion railway network. A $64 million flyover to be built over Coco Beach, Tanzania. And in our events highlights, we take a look at the ongoing Effluent and Water Management Conference and Exhibition 2014 taking place at the Limuru Regency Hotel in Kenya. Welcome, I'm Yvonne Andima. We begin our news in Kenya, where the Red Coral Properties Limited is planning to undertake a massive real estate project in Kiambu County, Kenya. The mixed-use development is going to be put up on a 387-acre piece of land near Limuru. The project will involve construction of 3,304 housing units, commercial and retail space, warehouses and logistic facilities. Other facilities the developers have planned for construction include a water treatment facility, a school, and a power substation. A proposal has also been made for the construction of a rail network and the development to ease transportation in the area. The construction project will be undertaken in phases, where the first phase includes construction of the industrial zone in 2015, while the rest of the phases will be undertaken in a period of 10 to 12 years. Crossing over to Rwanda, the Board of Directors from the African Development Bank, AFDB, has approved a $75 million loan to finance upgrading of Rwanda's transport system, which is to be implemented between 2015 and 2019. The project is the first phase of Rwanda's transport sector major undertaking, which involves rehabilitation of the base Rukomo Road along the base Gisumbi-Rukomo-Nyagatare axis. The project has four major components, which include upgrading of 51.4 kilometers between base and Rukomo, the construction of multifunctional centers for women and rehabilitation of school facilities along the main road. The entire construction project will cost $79 million and counterpart funding from the Rwandan government of $4.5 million. Rwanda is in the process of revamping its transport sector throughout the country. The city of Kigali is presently putting in place infrastructure to support public transport. Over 24 kilometers of roads are also currently being paved. And now we move over to South Africa. Styen City, a real estate development, is expected to spur more investor interest in the Greater Fourways area. The new lifestyle development will sit on a 2,000-acre piece of land and will include setting up of residential and official use buildings. The development, which will be accompanied by 900 million rands upgrade of William Nicol Drive road from Uranium Street through to the Erling road, has spurred interest in many upmarket lifestyle estates situated in the area. Also to be undertaken will include the 74 million rand sewer system improvement and the building of a large new water reservoir at the cost of 39 million rands. Construction of the city will involve setting up of a mixed-use development along the Juskei River. The development is expected to be ready for market in early 2015. Also lined up for construction will include office parks, state-of-the-art medical facilities, and recreational facilities such as a 18-hole Nicklaus Design Championship golf course. And now we head over to Angola. Angola is set to construct an additional 10,600 kilometer railway network at a cost of $50 billion on top of the existing network. According to Director General of the National Institute of Railways, Julio Joachim, plans for the major construction is complete, and this will see the country improve in terms of logistics. According to a statement by a railway official during the Fair of Transport connecting provinces of Rwanda and Malanje, Lobito Luau and Namibe and Menongu will see creation of 3 main channels: north, south and east, north, south and the coast, north, south and the center. The long-term project, involving the setting up of 3 lines, would, according to him, see the unification of suburbs with the center and help the government cover the country via a rail link. Railway officials have also called on inclusion of Kabinda in the northern line serving the coastal corridor. This will help the area reduce dependency on air transport. And now we head over to Tanzania. The government of Tanzania has signed an agreement with the South Korean government to see through construction of another flyover in Dar es Salaam. The flyover will be constructed over Coco Beach along Ture Drive, where it will connect with the Ali Hassan Mwinyi Road. The bridge will be 7.1 kilometers in length and will have 4 lanes and a pedestrian path. It will be able to accommodate around 61,000 vehicles to use the road once complete. The construction costs of the project have been estimated at $64 million, of which the South Korean government will contribute 80% of the entire costs. Tanzania is currently building 6 flyovers and overhead roads to address issues of congestion. They are being built in Tazara, Ubungo, Magomeni, Kamata, and Chagamonge road junctions. The flyovers will contribute to alleviating the existing traffic jams in Dar es Salaam and connect the country to nearby landlocked countries. From our events desk, we pay our attention to the ongoing Effluent and Water Management Conference and Exhibition 2014. The event kicked off in Kenya on the 25th this week at the Laiko Regency Hotel. At the end of the event, it will have provided a platform that will steer and transform the water and sanitation sector in African countries by offering a more comprehensive conference and trade show on Africa's water industry, bringing together the entire value chain of water, wastewater, recycling on one platform. The forum is seeking to shed light on the best methods and strategies that will support water sanitation, officials and decision makers in their strategic mission and objective of meeting the ever-rising demand for water in the region in a sustainable manner. Participants are also exploring the best strategies and technologies that will develop water and sanitation supply and coverage, as well as the potential financing and the investment opportunities available for water project development. And that is all we had from our news desk this week. Remember to log in to our website www.constructionreviewonline.com for these and more news and details in the construction industry. Thank you.